Welcome to Ketchum, Idaho. Despite the city's relatively small population, its scenic views and iconic Sun Valley ski resort bring the likes of some of the wealthiest people in the world into its boundaries. Legends like Ernest Hemingway, Adam West, Ashton Kutcher, Bruce Willis, Steve Wynn, and even Bill Gates have owned property in the Sun Valley area. Once a year, a distinctly unique charity event called the Sun Valley Tour de Force brings a gathering of some of the rarest, fastest, and most expensive cars in the world. This event benefits a charity called the Hunger Coalition, which provides less fortunate Sun Valley area locals by giving them access to food. This is far more than just a car meet, though. The event sees the shutdown of an Idaho highway that allows the drivers of these cars to put their foot down and see just how fast they can go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2022 Sun Valley Tour de Force. Our first stop of the event is the Sun Valley Auto Club. Here, the cars get a nice wash and a tech inspection to ensure that they're safe to drive during the high-speed event. Additionally, a driver's meeting is held for the first-time participants to ensure that they understand the course and the safety aspects. Later in the day, all of these cars and dozens of others fill a field and give the general public the opportunity to get up close and personal with some of the rarest and most collectible cars on the planet. A show-stopping participant this year was a Lamborghini Miura, the first mid-engine V12 Lamborghini, valued well over $1 million. Then, on the following day, the course goes hot and all of the exotics are let loose to see what they're made of. Braden here from MotorBiscuit. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to our coverage of the 2022 Sun Valley Tour de Force. For more information on this event and to check out some photos from it, be sure to click the link in the description to read the article below. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.